Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to start a new journal, so I thought that I would just do a quick video to show you how I like to put my covers together. I do have a few tutorials already on my channel that show you the process that I go through to put a journal cover together, but I thought that it would be nice to just run through it again because there are a lot of different ways that you can make a journal cover, but this is probably my preferred method. So what I've got here are two pieces of board. They're about probably 3 mil thick. And I think that I got these from, I like to use recycled materials wherever I can. I think these were the backing cards from like a pad of note paper. So I've just kept those so that I can use them in my journal making. So I've got two pieces here that are 21 centimeters tall by 15 centimeters wide, which means that when I fold my A4 pieces of paper for my signatures, they'll fit in there nicely. And then I've made a spine which is 5 centimeters by 21 centimeters, which is roughly 5 centimeters is roughly 2 inches wide. So this one I'm planning to put 2 signatures in, and they should fit in there quite comfortably. Okay, so I've got my boards prepared. Now I'm using papers today from my kit, the Garden of Shadows. So you can find that in my Etsy store. I'll put a link to that down below. So I've just printed out 4 of the papers today that I'm going to use to put this cover together. All right, so grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and sit back and follow along, and I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here today for this particular tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed crafting with me as I put together the cover for my Garden of Shadows journal. This is now ready for me to put some signatures into and to start decorating the cover. So make sure you check the description down below where you can find a link to my Etsy store, and you can grab the Garden of Shadows journal kits and lots of other kits for your crafting projects. You might like to also come and join my Facebook group where we have lots of crafting fun and I give away a stack of freebies. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more crafting tutorials.